guys, welcome back to my channel Jessica's Beauty World. If you're new to my channel, then my name is Jessica. I make videos on makeup, beauty, fashion. I like to do a lot of natural DIYs on my skin as well as my hair, and I like to share the same recipe with you guys on my channel. And I also like to review the products that I use. Nykaa is running a hot pink sale on its website, so I will be recommending few of my personal favorite products to you guys, which I have been using for years now. I want to make one thing very clear here. All the products which I will be showing it to you guys, I have been using it for years now and I really like them. And second is, all these products that I will be showing and recommending to you guys, these products are not sponsored. I have purchased all these products on my own. Before starting the recommendation list, I would like to add in that I am not going to review the products entirely in detail. On this video, I will of course mention some good points about the products that I will recommend to you, and I will even mention the percent of discount that you can avail it on Nykaa and the MRP of the product. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into the first product recommendation that I have for you guys is this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. I have been using this foundation since 2017. Back then I had no idea about makeup, and I'm so glad that I landed on Ashna Shroff's video back then, and she highly recommended this product, and I'm so glad that I listened to her and I purchased this product on her recommendation, and since then this has been in my vanity kit. This is a high coverage foundation. It gives you full coverage, and if you have blemishes you will have to use concealer underneath your foundation, and this is a liquid foundation and it blends really well. But during winters I would recommend you to apply a thick moisturizing cream underneath your foundation, because it tends to get a little bit cakey during winters, but in summers it's all fine. And you can use this foundation for special occasions, because I don't use this foundation on regular basis. For regular basis I use my Maybelline Fit Me Poreless foundation when I go to work, but on special occasions I use this, and I highly recommend if you are attending any marriage functions or if you are bride to be, then you can definitely give this product a try. And this retails for 1200 rupees and it has a good shade range, but on discount you are getting it for 900 rupees. And the second product recommendation that I have for you guys is this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It is for normal to oily skin. It is so lightweight, you guys, and it blends so well on your skin. And you can use this product on a daily basis if you go to office and you have a habit of wearing foundation and you want a budget friendly foundation, then you can give it a try. It is so good, you guys. And if you don't like to use foundation on regular basis, then you can mix this foundation with little bit of your favorite moisturizing cream to get a BB cream of your choice. This product is on 25% discount. Its MRP is 500 rupees, so you can calculate for how much you will be getting it on discount. Next product that I have is this Maybelline Gel Eyeliner. I absolutely love this product, and this product also has been in my vanity since 2017. I have a shaky hand. I cannot draw a perfect wing using a liquid eyeliner. So if you're someone like me, then you can definitely give this product a try. It is smudge proof. It stays for 12 long hours and it retails for 500 rupees, but on sale you can get it for 375 rupees. And the next product that I have is this Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. I love this product. This is a decent product. If you're looking for something in a budget, then you can definitely give this product a try. If you're looking to buy both eyeliner as well as mascara, then you can buy these two products because they are giving flat 40% off on this combo. Or else if you want to buy just a single product, then these two products are on discounts. These two are on 25% off. The next product recommendation that I have for you guys is this LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's their HD concealer and it's so creamy and it helps to hide your blemishes and under eye dark circles perfectly. It retails for 695 rupees, but on discount you will be getting it for 596 rupees, and there isn't much discount on this product. It's only 20%, but it's worth your money and investment. If you don't want to spend so much on this concealer, then you can give NYX concealer a try. I have not used that concealer personally, but I've heard a very good review about that concealer. That concealer retails for 525 rupees, but on discount it is for 368 rupees only. I'll be pasting a picture of that concealer here on screen. And the next product that I have for you guys is this Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Color. That's a pretty long name, you guys. I got really tired saying this long name. Anyways, the color that I will be recommending is Coffee Light. It's a perfect nude color. It has a brown undertone to it, and it will suit all skin tones, and it's a must-have nude in your collection, and it retails for 625 rupees, and they are giving a whopping 40% discount. That is, you will be getting this product for 375 rupees only. The next product that I have is this Wet n Wild liquid lipstick. It's matte liquid lipstick, and this is the shade that I'm wearing today. I really love this pink nude color. It retails for 500 rupees, and they're giving a discount of 20%. That means you'll get this product for 399 rupees. I forgot to mention this shade. It's E921B. It's nudish peach, and this is the shade which I wear on most of my videos. And the next brand that I'm going to talk about is Miss Claire. It's one of my favorite Indian brands out there because it has some amazing products in its range, and the good point about this brand is it's extremely affordable. Here I'm going to talk about their lip liners. It retails for only 65 rupees, and they have some amazing shades in there, and this is also on discount. You will be getting it for 52 rupees. Liner that I have here is Angel L22. I absolutely love this lip liner because the color is so pretty, I can say, because many people compare this to be a dupe for MAC Meher. I don't have MAC Meher, so I cannot personally compare it to you, but I will be showing you the swatch of this lip liner because I love it so much. You can use this as lipstick also, but of course the formula of lip liner and lipstick is a lot more different. You might feel it to be a little bit drying on your lips when you apply this as a lipstick, but I sometimes use it as a lipstick also. So I'll be swatching this and showing you the color. It's a nude pink color with slight purplish undertone to it. So this is how it looks like. That I'm going to talk about is a skincare product. Here, this is the Biotique Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner. I absolutely love this toner. I have spoken about this toner earlier in my videos also. I love this toner so much. My skin is prone to acne, so I love how this toner works on my skin. It has cucumber extract, which is very soothing on skin, and why I like it even more because it's 100% Ayurvedic, and it retails for 175 rupees, and they are running a 25% off on most of their products. Is one brand which I absolutely trust, and I absolutely like using their products. The second product that I'm going to talk about is this Lotus face wash. This is ideal for oily to combination skin. Since I have combination skin, I use this face wash on regular basis. You must have seen me use this face wash in my previous videos also. I like this product. It's a good product for oily to combination skin. It retails for 135 rupees. This is for 50 grams. They are running a 25% discount on their product range. You can definitely check them out. Next product recommendation is I think the most essential part that we tend to skip in our skincare routine. That is a good SPF, and the brand that I recommend, the Lotus UV Sunscreen Matte Gel, and it has SPF 50 in it. I like this product because it has gel consistency, and since I have combination skin type which is prone to acne, so if you are someone who has acne problem, then you can definitely try this sunscreen because it's gel based, so you will not get any breakouts if you use this. This retails for 315, and again this is also on 25% discount. You can definitely check it out. The last product recommendation that I have for you guys is this L'Oreal Professional Paris. It is the professional range. This is the series Expert Protein-less Ultimate Shampoo. I really love this shampoo because it is very good for frizzy frizzy hair. I have an extremely frizzy hair and it has controlled my frizz to some extent. But I like the yellow bottle way more than I like this product. So if you have frizzy hair, then you can give this shampoo a try. If you have an extremely damaged hair, then you can try that shampoo. I'll be pasting a screenshot of it here on screen. They are running a 10% discount, which is unbelievable because especially on their professional range, they don't give so much discounts on other days. For the skincare, they too have discounts now and then, but for professional hair care range, they rarely have discounts like this. So you must definitely check it out. Friends, that's it for today's video. Before I end my video, I'd like to add in few points here. The first and most important point is before making a purchase for any product that is recommended by any YouTuber, please ensure to go and check the ingredient list yourself and see if that product suits your skin type and your hair type. Second point is please buy things that you actually require and not just because there's a huge sale going on. And the third most important point is because of the excitement of the sale, most of the times what we do is we end up adding the products in our cart and we even make purchase without checking on the expiry date, and when we receive the product at home we realize that the product is about to get expired. Please don't make mistakes like that. Please see and check on all the expiry dates of the product that you purchase. I hope friends you liked my video. If you did, then please don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel, because if you subscribe to my channel, it will mean a world to me. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon, because every time I post a new video, you will receive a notification for the same, and that way we can always be connected. You can even follow me on my Instagram, and if you purchase any of the products recommended by me, you can even tag me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is Gigirediar and I frequently upload makeup videos there. If you are a makeup lover like me, then you must definitely follow me on my Instagram. Until then friends, bye bye, take care and thanks for watching.